When you search for the best mascara for beginners, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara, Blackest Black. We have the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Washable Mascara in Blackest Black. Priced at around $10.82, this mascara caught my attention with its promise of lengthening and volumizing your lashes. If you want beautifully defined lashes that don't flake or smudge, this is worth a serious look. This mascara is infused with bamboo extract and fibers, which means your lashes look long and full without feeling heavy. The unique Flex Tower brush bends to coat each lash from root to tip, which is crucial for achieving that full fan effect. Plus, it's ophthalmologist and allergy tested, making it suitable for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. With over 70,000 units sold in the past month, people clearly love it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for a product that ensures your lashes stay lifted all day without clumping, this mascara delivers. Now, some people complained that it can take a couple of coats to achieve the desired volume. Here's the thing though. Most volumizing mascaras require layering for that dramatic effect, so it's not a deal breaker. It's perfect for those who have the patience to build up their look. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner wanting a dependable mascara that enhances your natural lashes. Skip this one if you prefer a single swipe solution for instant drama. For the price, you're getting great value for a product that performs well. Now, if building up layers isn't your thing, the next one on my list might actually be even better for a quick, effortless application.
Product number 2, Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara in Very Black, priced at $9.97. This mascara has a similar formula to the last one, but if you want a slightly different shade, this is a solid choice. It's worth a serious look if you want length and definition without too much hassle. Just like its Blackest Black sibling, this mascara is also infused with bamboo extract and fibers. The Flex Tower brush is a game changer here. It bends to reach every lash, ensuring that no lash is left behind. If you're someone who struggles with hard-to-reach inner lashes or lower lashes, this is a game changer. With 40,000 sold recently, it's clear there's a buzz around it. Here's why this matters. It's designed to give you that full lash effect without the clumps, which is something every beginner appreciates. However, a few users mentioned that the formula could be a bit wet, making it easy to smudge if you're not careful. Now, some may find this frustrating, but I think it just means you need to give it a moment to dry after applying. Once you figure that timing out, it's a breeze. This is perfect for you if you want a quick application that gives you a natural yet defined look. Skip this one if you're looking for something that dries instantly. For the price, it offers excellent value and performance for casual use. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something a little more classic.
Product number 3, Maybelline Lash Sensational Washable Mascara in Blackest Black, priced at $9.99. If you're looking for something that gives you a full fan effect with ease, this one's worth a serious look. This mascara offers a blend of lengthening and volumizing features, making it perfect for everyday wear. The brush is designed to lift and separate your lashes, so you don't have to worry about clumping, a common issue with many budget mascaras. With 10,000 sold recently, it's clear that people are reaching for this option. Here's why this matters for you. It's all about that effortless application, which is exactly what beginners need. However, some users did mention that it might not hold a curl as well as they'd like. Now, I'll be real with you. If you have straight lashes, you might need to pair this with an eyelash curler. But if you're just looking for a natural look, this mascara does the trick nicely. This is perfect for you if you want a basic, reliable mascara that doesn't require much fuss. Skip this one if you need something that can hold a curl all day. For the price, it's a fantastic option for everyday use. Now, if you're someone who really emphasizes length, the next product will take your lashes to new heights.
Product number 4, L'Oreal Paris Makeup Telescopic Original Mascara, Carbon Black. The L'Oreal Paris Makeup Telescopic Original Lengthening Mascara in Carbon Black, priced at $11.97. This one caught my eye because it's all about lengthening, perfect for those who want dramatic lashes without clumping. If you want to really stretch those lashes out, this is definitely worth a serious look. The unique brush features a flexible tip that helps grab even the tiniest lashes, ensuring you get great coverage all around. It's designed to create that long, fluttery lash effect that you often see in ads. This can be an absolute game changer if you have short or sparse lashes. With 10,000 units sold recently, it's clear that it has its fans. Here's why this matters for you. If you want to make your eyes pop without overdoing it, this mascara delivers. Now, some users mentioned that it can be a bit tricky to remove, which is something to consider. Here's the thing though, if you're okay with a little extra effort at the end of the day for those long, beautiful lashes, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you prioritize length and don't mind a bit of extra removal time. Skip this one if you want something that washes off easily. For the quality, it's a solid investment for that dramatic look. Now, if you're after a bit more separation and volume, the final product on our list might just have what you need.
Product number 5, L'Oreal Paris Makeup Telescopic Mascara in black brown, also priced at $11.97. This mascara is perfect if you want to achieve both volume and length without the heaviness. If you're looking for a softer, more natural look, this is worth a serious look. Similar to its sister product in Carbon Black, this mascara also features that flexible brush, but the black-brown shade offers a more subtle effect. It's ideal for everyday wear, especially if you want something that enhances your lashes without being too dramatic. With another 10,000 bought recently, it's clear this shade has its fans. Here's why this matters for you. It's about enhancing your natural beauty, which is key for daily use. However, some users expressed that the black-brown shade may not show up as vividly as they'd like on darker lashes. Now, I get that. It's not for everyone. But if you're looking for something more understated, this might be just right. This is perfect for you if you prefer a natural look that enhances your lashes without being overpowering. Skip this one if you're after a bold statement. For the price, it's a great option for those who want versatility in their daily routine.
So there you have it. 5 mascara options that cater to different needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for dramatic volume, length, or a natural finish, there's something here for you. Overall, these mascaras are all great for beginners and daily use, so pick the one that fits your style best.